Inertia is a ubiquitous phenomenon in nature that can be viewed as the tendency to resist change to the current state. You probably noticed that sometimes when you are engaged in a specific mental task, for instance reading, it is very uncomfortable to be interrupted and having to engage in another mental task like answering a phone call. This discomfort does actually cost extra energy to the brain and leads to substantially slower and more error-prone responses in the second task. So imagine that there is one task that activates the red regions in your brain and that other task activates the blue regions of your brain. So you can see that these two tasks compete for the same regions, so which makes them incompatible at the same time. So one thing you can do to improve your performance is to minimize constant mental task switching, and this is where planning your day ahead of time makes a substantial difference. The second thing you can do is to avoid multitasking. Our brain is not really capable of multitasking for reasons that I mentioned in previous videos, like limits in the working memory capacity or constraints in the motor output. That is, in the end, we don't have an extra pair of hands to execute multiple tasks at the same time. In reality, multitasking is just constant task switching with high mental energy costs.